Hi there, I'm Dr. Nicole Rogers at Hair Restoration of the South, and I'm excited to announce that we are reopening this Monday, May 18th, in order to see our patients now that the governor has lifted the stay-at-home order. However, there will be a few modifications to our usual protocol. Number one, we are asking that everyone wear a mask, and unfortunately, this is a non-negotiable. So if you have access to medical supplies, this surgical mask, something along these lines is perfect. Anything that gives you a little bit of protection along the nose is going to help improve the fit. I'd like to give a quick shout out to NOLA Discount Pharmacy on Veterans, where they have been able to procure some KN95 masks. They're not quite the standard of N95 masks, but nowadays they're so hard to find. So these KN95 masks can also be very comfortable. And you can see there's a wire here to help give you a nice snug fit. And if you have a cloth mask, that's fine too. Just make sure it's something that is going to cover your nose and your mouth and contain those respiratory droplets. Now, when you arrive in the clinic, actually you're going to stay in your car until we call you. So that is the new waiting room, is your car down below the building. We will contact you. We'll probably ask you a few screening questions, and then we'll go ahead and invite you up when it is time for your appointment. When you come in, you're going to notice the magazines have been removed from our waiting room. That's so we don't have multiple touch points where people can share germs. You'll also notice sneeze guards in our front check-in and check-out area, as well as the rear nursing station. When you enter the exam room, you're going to see we're going to have a lot of very good ventilation. We're going to be making an effort to keep the doors propped open, and we're also going to be working very hard to disinfect all surfaces in between our visitors. We unfortunately are not going to be inviting our patients to use our restroom. We're going to recommend that you use the one in the hallway. There is a public restroom available. And in terms of the timing, we're going to be spacing out our visitors. So there's going to be, usually a good 10 to 15 minute break in between our patients. Now, what about our hair transplant patients? We are in the process of rescheduling those of you who were delayed due to the COVID virus infection, and the protocol for that will also be a little bit different. Specifically, we will be planning testing before each hair transplant procedure, and there may be some modifications to the actual pre-op visit as well. But we are working with patients on an individual basis on those hair transplant rescheduling. Don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions. And otherwise, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.